Terminal multiplexer is a way to run multiple terminal sessions within a single display. It allows an interactive process to be detached from a physical terminal to make it run in the background, and reattach it when necessary to control the running program. GNU Screen is an example of a terminal multiplexer. It's a software tool that is invoked by simply typing screen at the shell prompt. Upon startup, the application typically shows its name and version, along with the copyright and licensing information, waiting for the user to hit space or return key. After that, the program starts a new window with an interactive shell, which can be then managed by screen. We can make sure of that by typing screen -ls. The output that we get is a list of screen sessions currently managed by the multiplexer. By default, a session is identified by its process ID, pseudo-terminal number, and the system hostname. The last column indicates that the session is attached to the terminal. To demonstrate how screen operates, let us start an example interactive program such as TOP to show the system resources and processes. To detach a running session from the terminal, we use key bindings. The basic screen control sequence is Ctrl-A followed by another key to specify the action. Let's detach the session from the terminal by pressing Ctrl-A followed by D for detach. If we then repeat the screen -ls command, we will see a familiar list of processes, only this time the session will be described as detached. To reattach the session, we type screen -r. GNU Screen allows to create many windows within a single session. Once we have the session attached, we can type Ctrl-D, Ctrl-A, followed by C to create another one. Let's put a minimal comment here saying second, and then create another one with a comment saying third. Note that checking screen -ls again will still show a single screen running, which is correct, but do keep in mind that it does manage multiple windows within. To move between screen windows, we can type Ctrl-A followed by N for next, P for previous, quotation mark to see an interactive list of windows to choose from, or by typing the window number. Since all of our sessions are named bash by default, we might want to rename them, thus making them easier to identify. To do that, we can type Ctrl-A followed by Shift-A and then specify the session's name. When we detach from screen and log out from the system, screen will run in the background, so we can log in the next day and reattach our session to continue the work exactly where we left off. Apart from creating multiple windows, we can also run multiple screen sessions simply by invoking another screen command, optionally specifying its name by the -S option followed by the name. We can also run screen specifying the program to run immediately within the newly created window. For example, screen vim myfile.txt to start editing a file with the Vim editor. We can again detach from it by pressing Ctrl-A-D and go back whenever we're ready to continue. Working within an HPC system, we can create a screen window running an interactive Slurm session in case we need to keep it active while switching to other activities in the meantime. GNU Screen application is rich with command line options and key bindings that we can get familiar with by invoking man screen to see its manual page.